Hello everyone, I'm Carlo Zuccarello from the FOREL sales department. FOREL is an Italian company known for the manufacturing of flat glass production machinery, and especially for double glazing. We are an Italian company that is well known worldwide, and in relation to VITRUM, we have participated in the fair since its beginning in the 1980s, and we proudly carry the Made in Italy flag in the machinery manufacturing sector.
What is the dominant trend your company is involved in as a solution provider? And what other industry trends are you monitoring?
At FOREL, the trends we have been discussing are constantly developing because the company is based on innovation. So the concept that a product can be green or smart has now become part of our everyday life. It arises in work, family, and communication. Thus, they could not fail to influence the design of our plants as well. In fact, we are always focused on providing operators with an intuitive software-based approach, which hosts the configuration and parameter settings and adjustments that enable them to manage complex plant processes in a very simple manner. Aspects that may appear less relevant when presenting the machinery are not overlooked either. However, ergonomics and safety are also highly valued by the operators and end users of our equipment, and these aspects are also studied and assessed. Green and sustainable solutions are also on the rise in our design endeavor. We are part of the flat glass processing chain and work alongside our customers to give them a complete view and management of the life cycle of the glass product. And so we have developed measures to limit the waste of the materials we process. Glass, or sealants, or other materials such as the spacer channel for insulating glass. We have improved optimization, provided the possibility of implementing product traceability, and incorporated processes quality control, thus limiting waste. In terms of energy consumption, when designing new installations, efforts are made to increase efficiency and limit consumption. We have also patented some ideas in this field, so the entire FOREL technical team is continuously working on it. But first and foremost, the R&D team. Then there is another trending theme alongside those of efficiency, greenness, and smart products, which concerns the finished products of our customers and glassworks facilities, which are currently innovative in terms of functionality, for example in the insulating glass segment. We think, for example, of building cladding that eliminates noise pollution. We can even provide glass panes capable of generating energy, panels that change color during the course of the day, thus also offering lighting comfort. Certain recent solutions can even project images. There's another scenario that is evolving rapidly, in which the architect turns to our customers. And then for certain processing-related details of these solutions, our glaziers turn to us to find new applications and new installation features. This year, FOREL celebrates 47 years in business. For a long time, especially in Italy, we have communicated and grown with our customers and the glasswork sector. We have seen the evolution of the business generations and observed how the dimensions of sector companies have grown alongside ours, right up to the specialization phase we are now experiencing. In terms of specialization, the Italian system seeks to provide a high-quality product, and when glassworks operators come to us, they ask for something innovative, which can bring them a technological edge. So, this is where the drive to develop diverse solutions is rooted, and we at FOREL have striven to assert our leadership through patents that enshrine the company's intellectual property, which is one of our strengths.
What will be the main attractions and announcements that visitors can expect at your stand during VITRUM?
For us, trade fairs are key events in our work, and the Italian exhibition even more so, precisely due to this series of long-term relationships, the dialogue with Italian glassmakers, and also the European and global stakeholders who come to Italy and visit the fair. So for us, it's an opportunity to engage with customers, with industry partners, and also with competitors. We meet with everyone and discuss things. We appraise the future, analyze our strategies, and propose them to the market, imagining tomorrow's glass scenarios. In this vein, our vocation is to continually develop our solutions, and at VITRUM this year we will once again be bringing and exhibiting a very large stand. We are talking about 1,100 square meters, where we will effectively be providing visitors with an entire glass factory in operation. So the concept of exhibiting and coming to see what our products are for us remains valid, and we invite visitors to see the machinery on display during the demos we will be giving during the days of the fair. At the fair, we will present a complete insulating glass assembly system with an automatic thermoplastic profile applicator. This type of line responds to a current market trend in thermoplastic profiles, which has attracted considerable interest in recent years, with many new lines installed by FOREL in Europe and worldwide. On the strength of this consensus, we have developed new solutions to optimize a process that is known but can be improved. For example, we will be presenting the buffer station on the line, which allows the stabilization of the thermoplastic product to begin during the production process. But the big news for double glazing will be a new logistics system, a sorting system for the finished double glazing panel, which we will present at VITRUM as a world first. This solution, intended and created to complete the automation of the insulating glass process, will certainly be one of the main attractions, not only of our stand but also of the entire fair. At VITRUM, FOREL will also present another of our flagship products, the vertical processing line with its 2 processing stations, the AM and DM products. This is also a well-established solution worldwide, but it has been upgraded to continue responding to the vertical grinding segment by adding new features. In fact, the AM grinding machine has been upgraded with a new mechanical glass positioning tool, a device that we have also patented, which provides a precise position for machining rectangular shapes, but above all for machining shapes. In addition, in the AM model perfected for VITRUM, we have made a further upgrade to implement the machining, that is the grinding of shaped glazing with internal radii. These are some of the main innovations we will display within the 2 lines, the double glazing line and the grinding line, that will be present at the fair. The VITRUM Trade Fair is also an opportunity for us to present our R&D endeavors, and this year we will be presenting innovations in the insulating glass and double glazing range, which remains our core business. We are in line with market trends and the demands for specific production solutions. In the meantime, we have made a series of improvements to the range, streamlining the automatic sealing machine, restyling software and hardware, and introducing new configurations for the specific processes required by the market. So while the traditional range continues to meet the demands of the residential and business building sectors, we have configured the systems for a range of specializations. For example, the production of insulating glass for refrigeration is also a highly developed sector in Italy. The production of triple glazing insulating glass with a thin central pane is a new trend in home renovation, where a given thickness and volume of insulating glass can give rise to a panel system capable of very high energy efficiency. And here too we are considering patents. We have fast lines with specific versions for the European market and the US market. In Europe, these lines are focused on high-productivity triple glazing, which is increasingly in demand and predominant in the new installation market, while in the North American market we provide highly automated solutions with superior productivity and performance, related to warm edge spacing, automated applications, and ready-made panels for window assemblies. And last but not least, we will also present updates on the extra jumbo lines, which is another segment for building cladding glass and commercial glass, with workable glass lengths of 9, 12 or even 15 meters. Therefore, not only the traditional proposal of lines for insulating glass processing, but strong specializations for growth sectors or processing trends that address the various requests we receive from several countries around the world. Are you ready for VITRUM? See you there.